Colonel Sharath Saran, you have worn the uniform, you've been in the Indian Army. Now, unity is essential. Right? Why would anyone oppose the call for Hindu unity? I'm sure you support the call for Hindu unity, and as the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, it becomes your responsibility to say on Republic that Samajwadi Party supports the call for all Hindus to unite. This Dalit Muslim politics that you do is not going to unify the country. But if everybody unites as one, right? So you can't divide Hindus into groups. You must support the call for Hindu unity. I start with you, Colonel Sharath. And I want to tell Shyamprasad Meka that his participation in the show has to go beyond just, making faces. Please continue, Colonel Sharath. Yeah. Colonel Sharath is the first speaker. We are calling for Hindu unity. All Hindus should be united. Colonel Sharath.
For getting me on board, Mr. Arnab.
Go on.
Thank you for getting me on the board. Jai Hind to all viewers and the fellow panelists here.
Jai Hind and Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Both are from same.
Jai Hind and Bharat Mata ki Jai also.
Fraternity, so we understand.
Jai Hind and Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Jai Hind, Jai Bhim to you.
भारत माता की जय, बोलो भारत माता की जय। ये
Long live the Republic of India. Long live the Republic of India.
Colonel Sharath, please continue.
Am I audible, Mr. Arnab?
Please continue, Colonel Sharath. Debate, poll question on the grid. Colonel Sharath, continue. Yes.
Am I audible, Mr. Arnab?
Yes, you are. Go on.
What Mohan Bhagwat ji has said today, that all Hindus should unite together, and what RSS says is that when they say Hindu, it is basically anybody who is from Hindustan, who is from Bharat. So I believe it accommodates all Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Isai, Parsis, and all communities. But on hindsight, you would find that BJP always comes up with developmental agendas. If you remember, in 2014, they came up with Gujarat model. Then they talk about progress and development in country. And ultimately, in 2019, they were asking votes on the context of Pulwama. This is first time in the history of this country, post-independence, that a party has asked vote in the name of martyrs. So they drove on nationalism. Complete. But their main card, when they lose their battles, what exactly happened in 2024, they come back to divisive politics. And divisive politics also includes polity of hatred amongst religion. I come back again to the opening line. RSS says Hindus means anybody who's a resident of India, be it any religion. Now what our point is,
Colonel Sharath, this is all very complicated for me. One minute. Let me make it more simple for you. One minute. Colonel Sharath, I need to intervene here now. Sanju, please wait. Colonel Sharath, I'm a simple guy. I'm not a complicated person. I speak simple thoughts in a simple language. And I debate also in a very simple way. And my simple question to you, which I want you to simply answer, is, in your view, is Muslim unity good? Your options are Muslim unity is good. Option 2, Muslim unity is bad. Is Muslim unity good? Atik, don't smile. Atik is on the screen with you. Simple question, viewers, tonight to the Samajwadi Party spokesperson. Is Muslim unity A, good, B, bad, C, can't say?
Do you have a problem with Muslim unity? Hashtag Muslim unity or not?
Let the Samajwadi person answer the question. Why are you answering for him? Colonel Sharad, I ask you the question a second time.
I am
Is
an
Muslim
Indian.
unity good in the view
India
of the
is my
Samajwadi Party?
motherland. We are all Indians. Let's
Is
talk
Muslim
about India.
unity good?
Let's talk about unity in India.
Is Muslim unity
Why are
good?
you pitching on the same pitch of divisive politics between religions, Mr. Arnab? Is
Okay.
not understood.
I'm so sorry you are being so hypocritical here today. I want to ask you that since you are lecturing
Unity
me.
of all Indians is
Okay,
good for the benefit
Colonel
of
Sharad, let me
India's
tell you,
growth and India.
not only am I a simple person, I have another unique
Unity
quality.
of all Indians is good.
I'll
for
tell
the
you, I have
benefit
another
of
unique
India.
quality.
We are all Indian. We
I
are all
have,
together.
Colonel
we are all
Sharad,
united.
I don't do these definitions, you know. I am saying I'm a simple person. I also, unlike you, am living in the real world. And in the world in which I live, there is a person called Maria Alam Khan, Salman Khurshid's niece,
Yes.
who is vice president of your party's women's wing, who says, if you don't unite, if Muslims don't unite, we will be finished, our existence is over. And Akhilesh says, very well said, fantastic. She says, we must unite and we must do vote jihad. Shantanu.
Vote jihad.
Vote jihad.
Vote jihad.
Yeah, vote jihad.
Terrible, terrible.
You like
Vote
it?
Jihad.
Vote jihad.
Vote jihad.
Yes.
Vote jihad.
Vote jihad.
And jihad for
But
everything.
if Bhagavad says Hindu unity, kabhi nahi hoga. Kabhi nahi. We will never allow Hindu unity.
Jihad. What is this? All nonsense? A phantom concept
Arnab,
called
can I
jihad?
Okay, we are getting responses.
May I
Shantanu.
take the question now?
Yeah, the question is simple. The question is simple. In that context, do you believe in Muslim unity?
Colonel Saab, say something.
Colonel Saab, say something.
Colonel Saab,
Colonel Sharad, say something.
out of syllabus. You can't comment
Colonel
on Muslim.
Sharad, are you a supporter of Muslim unity? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option B, can't say.
Option D, I will have to ask Akhilesh Yadav.
Is this question to me?
Of course it is to you.
Okay, great. Okay, great. I'll take this. I'll take this question. I'll take this question. I'll take this question. Hear me out.
I'm waiting.
I'll answer to that.
But I am waiting.
We are not playing objective questions here. Let me answer.
Arnab,
Hear me out.
He's
Hear
taken
me
so
out.
much time on the debate already.
1 minute, no, 1 minute. We have time. Sanju, be patient. Sanju, let me nail this. 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Let Colonel Sharad respond. Colonel Sharad, please
We are
respond.
all from different castes and clans in Hindus. There is a Varna Vyavastha. We are part of that Varna Vyavastha. Now, what is actually happening in this country is the 90%.
Can you tell me, do you believe in Muslim unity?
Mr. Arnab, we
Why
are
can't
all
you say I believe
together.
in Muslim unity?
We are all united. But the point is the distribution of resources in this country is not uniform.
Oh.
No,
There
I need
are
to come
oppressed
here.
part of societies in
This
Hindu
man is
religion
telling rubbish.
as per the Varna
This man
Vyavastha
is
which is
telling
existing
falsehood.
on ground.
बिना पढ़े लिखे
The
डिबेट पर आ
oppressed
जाते हैं कुछ
classes-
भी बोलते हैं कुछ भी अनाक्षर आप बोलना है कुछ
Sanju is on the debate right now, ladies and gentlemen. Battle breaks out. Sanju Verma on the debate, taking on the Samajwadi Party spokesperson on the question of Hindu unity.
Not with them. Samajwadi Party believes to fight for the rights
Okay,
and for
okay,
the rightful
okay.
share of Dalits, backwards, minorities, and all those
Arnab, you know,
who
you
are from
can't have
high
this man
class.
makes zero sense and you continue to give him airtime for reasons best known to you. I
I'm a
need to respond
democratic
because he's
person.
Not making any sense.
I am
This
a
man is
Democrat.
Not making any sense. You are a Democrat? No, I think you are against the BJP or not. Because 18 minutes into the
There is
debate,
not
our
a
very
debate. That's
spoken
why
of
there is a
Samajwadi
problem
Party
today in debate.
No, I'm
is
against
making
nobody.
zero sense.
I am
This man
for
is making
humanity.
Zero sense. This man is making zero sense because he has nothing coherent to say. बिना पढ़े लिखे डिबेट में आने से यही होता है आपको पता ही नहीं क्या बोलना है Now let me speak and you don't heckle me because when you had the time you could not give any
He's a
solid argument.
politician, I know.
First and foremost,
I know he understands
first
what
and
I'm
foremost,
saying.
Arnab, Arnab, you need to moderate the debate because
I am
you don't allow me to heckle
moderating.
anybody.
I am moderating. I'm moderating.
What are you moderating, Arnab? You're
The
simply smiling. Yeah. Let me now say this. You are right. Maria Alam Khan is the vice president of Samajwadi Party's Women's Morcha. She is also the vice president of the Samajwadi Party's Farrukhabad district, and she is on record saying, मुसलमानों को ही वोट देना पड़ेगा. Muslims should not vote for Hindu candidates. Is that vote jihad? Certainly yes. Was Maria Alam Khan reprimanded by Akhilesh Yadav, her boss? No. Akhilesh Yadav ने कहा Maria Alam Khan ने आखिर क्या गलत बोला? And this is the same Akhilesh Yadav who in 2006, 2008, 2010, when the Indian Mujahideen attacked the Sankat Mochan Mandir premises, he said Indian Mujahideen की तो गलती नहीं है. He went all the way to Allahabad High Court. He went to Lucknow courts to say that Indian Mujahideen are not guilty. And ये तो RSS की साजिश है. Now let me say one very important thing. Look at the Congress, which is a close alliance partner of Samajwadi Party. When they go to Karnataka, they play the politics of Lingayats versus Gokalikas. When they go to Haryana, they play the politics of Jats versus non-Jats. When they go to Maharashtra, they talk about Maratha versus non-Maratha votes. When they go to Telangana, they will speak about the Reddy versus non-Reddy votes. When they go to Tamil Nadu, they will play the politics of IS versus Iyengars. So the basic problem is that Rahul Gandhi and his caste politics is completely centered around Hindus. I want to ask Rahul Gandhi, do you have the guts to talk about the fact that there are so many castes in Muslims? Pathans, Turks, Sheikhs, Khans, Sayyids, Rizvis, Ashraf, Pathan, Malik, Mughal,
Atik is coming in.
Ansari.
Atik Anwar is on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. The debate is opening up.
You will not talk about Qureshi. You will not talk about Ansari. You will not talk about Ajlaf. You will not talk about Ashraf. You will not talk about Siddiqui. You will not talk about Khan. You will not talk about Pathan. But हिंदुओं को कास्ट के मामले पर डिवाइड करने के लिए राहुल गांधी संविधान की लाल किताब दिखाते हुए पार्लियामेंट में नजर आते हैं. दिस इज हिपोक्रेसी एट इट्स वेरी वर्स्ट.